Hi, how you doing? We've got some chicken here. It's spicy and it's red. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're gonna go straight in on this one. I've got 1 kg of chicken there. That's 2.2 pounds. Chicken parts, skin is on, bone is in, cut into fairly small pieces, as you can see. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 2 teaspoons of salt. Let's take a look here, shall we? We've got 1 teaspoon of green cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and then 2 teaspoons of coriander, cumin, and chili powder. To that, we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste. Now you can see that I've got my gloves on because we're now going to add some food color. Now you can add food color in the form of powder or liquid. This is a red food color, and I've put it in about a tablespoon there. Now you really do need your gloves on here because you're going to get it all over your hands otherwise, and it will stain your hands. Let's just get in and work this all in, and you'll get this really vibrant color immediately. So a little mix here. Then we're going to get straight to the cooker and get this fried off. Beautiful red chicken. So I've got a frying pan here with some oil in it. I'm using a sunflower oil. Coconut oil might be nice, or mustard oil could be good. We're going to start off by dropping in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then 6 dried red chilies. We're on quite a high heat. Just a few seconds, let them do their thing in there. Then we're going to drop in our red marinated chicken, and we're going to fry this for about 5 minutes. Keep it moving on a high heat. Fabulous stuff. Okay, we're now going to add 1 onion. I'm using a red onion sliced. Stay on the high heat 5 more minutes. Beautiful. I'm now going to add some fresh chili, green chili. The amount is up to you. And a little bit of lemon juice. Like a tablespoon of lemon juice. And again, 5 more minutes. That's giving us a total of 15 minutes chicken cooking time. This is ready. Really simple, really beautiful. And there you have it. Super easy. 15 minutes cooking time there. Beautiful, spicy, red chicken. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.